Hello everyone, we'll be making the frog using the green color paper. So just take the paper and press it from the top like this, and then we have to fold it like this and then press it. Now after that we have to fold it from the back as well, and then we'll be making the frog like this. Make its eyes and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the leaves like this, or the leaf sticks you can say, and then fix them one by one on the fingers in the same pattern as shown in the video. Now at the end, fold it like this, and after that, we'll be cutting it and tying it from the top. Fix it like this and your spoon is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a wooden cardboard sheet, cut it like this and paste the sellotape over it. Now take the clay and surround it like this around the clouds. Now after that, arrange it or decorate it with the clay balls. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make colorful clay balls like this, and then you have to put it like this and put the thread strings, and it's ready. Take the paper and then you have to fold it like this. Now after that we have to fold it from the top and press it and fix it inside. Now after that we have to fold it like this. Make its ears, nose and eyes like this. Make its legs, and it's ready. Next we'll be making a card. So take a paper and fold it like this after pressing it. Now after that cut it out in a flower shape. Now draw the lines on it and decorate it as shown in the video. Now press it from the sides, make a heart shape, and then you have to paste it like this on the blue sheet. Now make some hearts over it and it's ready. Take a tissue paper and roll it like this. Now after rolling it, draw the lines over it. Now after rolling it with the stick, we'll be folding it and then we'll be pasting it. Now draw the lines over it. Now make its eyes, and it's ready. Fold it like this around the fingers and fix them into each other. Now fix them like this, and then you have to put it back inside it like this. Now fix it with the leaves as shown in the video. Now after that, cut it from the sides like this and make its eyes, and it's ready. Next, take a white paper, fold it like this and paste all of them together. Now on the back side, take a paper and paste it like this to make it stand, and then we'll be making a snowman's face. Make its eyes, make its hat, make its nose, and then paste them and decorate it, and it's ready. Next, take a leaf and then make the patterns over it like this. Draw the circular lines as shown in the video using different colors. Here we have taken blue and purple color. Fill the leaf like this. Now draw the lines, and then you have to make the lines to make the branches of the tree like this. Now make a swing attached to the tree, and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful crafts. So take a peanut shell and then you have to make the lines over it, or just cut it from the top little bit and make a shape. Now around it we'll be putting a clay like this. Now after that we'll be making a flower on the downside. Now you can make these shoes like this, and look how beautiful it's looking. We'll be taking a paper and then you have to fold it like this from the sides. Now make the creases on it in the same manner as shown in the video. Now after making the creases, we'll be pressing it like this again. Now fold it from the sides, press it like this, and then fix it from the sides in the same manner. Apply the glue and paste it. Fill the candies inside it and close it from the top, and it's ready. You can decorate it like this and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.